Hello there, we are doing question number 15 today from section 3.4. Alright, so we'll jump right into it. We have to figure out what this question is asking for. And basically it wants you to realize that there's hidden brackets and you have to apply the chain rule. So if you were to put the exp function into a math program like Maple or MATLAB, you're going to write it usually like this. So you have exp, open bracket, your stuff on the inside, and it outputs this. So just imagine any time you see E raised to something, but there's basically little hidden brackets, right? And so every time you see brackets, it should be a giant rule that the chain rules, or sorry, giant flag that the chain rule is going to be necessary. If you see brackets, it's probably going to be chain as long as there's something involving your variable like x inside there. So the stuff on the inside is going to be x squared minus x. And the stuff on the outside is just your exponential function. So effectively, we're just doing the derivative of an exponential function, and we'll do that on the next page here. So to start with, I like to always use the rule, the outside derived with the inside left alone, multiplied by the derivative of the inside. That's basically what the chain rule is. So first thing to remember is that the basic derivative rule for e to the x is it just gives you back e to the x. But there's actually a hidden chain rule that we never write for convenience. So really this should be written more like this, where the derivative of e to the x is e to the x times the derivative of what's on the inside, the x. But of course the derivative of x is just 1, and e to the x times 1 is just e to the x. We don't bother to write the 1. It's just a waste of time. But now what we're going to see here is that if we apply this exact same process to our problem, we can do the same thing again. So to take the derivative of e to the x squared minus x, we just have e to the x squared minus x times the derivative of what's on the inside, x squared minus x. Now, x squared minus x after you take the derivative just becomes 2x minus 1. And in the final step there, I just move it in front because it makes it look a little bit neater. And that's it. That's all you had to do to solve this problem. Yeah. If you have a specific problem you want solved, just let me know what question it is and I'll try to do it. There should be a bunch more videos in the playlist over there. And yeah, if you need help, just reach out. Have a good day, guys.